Good evening, friends. This is Vishwanath. Today, I am going to tell you about the importance of a site HR. So, friends, all of us know the job discussion of HR. So, let me tell again what a HR person is. HR person is a person who keep people engaged for achieving the organization goals. So now the HR persons is broadly categorized, informally categorized into two categories. So, friends, I am not talking about regional structure or functional structure. I am talking about the informal categorization of HR persons. And as per this informal categorization, there are two category of HR persons. One is corporate HR and another is site HR. So whether it is a corporate HR or site HR, they are basically involved in the life cycle of an employee. So if what is the life cycle of an employee? So it starts off from the talent acquisition, then talent management and talent development. These are the three things that every HR persons do. So now the corporate is HR is mainly and involved in the talent acquisition and policy formulation, strategic hiring. Strategy behind the HR operation. All these things are done in corporate, but the frontline HR persons are the site HR persons who are taking care of the entire life cycle of the employees who are working inside, and they have to interact with the people. They are in the forefront. So, what do you mean by a site? Site doesn't mean a construction site. Site may be a plant. Site may be a warehouse. Site may be a project site. Site may be a market. Site may be a retail store. So basically, now you must understand that site means the persons where the employees are working is called a site. So now the site HR is empowered or delegated to handle many other responsibility apart from the HR generalistic functions. What are these functions? First of all, it is administration. So being in administration, the site HR guy has to oversee the accommodation of the employees, the conveyance of the employees, then many other things like the security management, the drinking water facility, labor accommodation. All these things has to be taken care by the administrative persons, HR persons who is overseeing the administrative. Apart from administration, the HR person has to take care of the industrial relation also. So any it is being told that Indian Dispute Act is the mother of all acts. Similarly, site HR has to take care of the any kind of dispute, whether it is between the employee and the employer, between employee or employee, between employee or the external stakeholder. So site HR has to address these things. He has to liaison with the administrative authorities, local authorities to make the function happening smoothly. Then the HR person has to take care of the operations a lot. I mean the time office, the attendance management, proper inputs of salary details, any grievance that is aroused out of misrepresentation or miscalculation, that has to be taken care of by the site HR also. The no dues clearance, the full and final settlement, all these things are started by site HR has a major role to do in all these things. Apart from this, the training and development. In training and development also, like the training hall arrangement, the training need identification, these are not possible without the direct involvement of the site HR itself. Then the role of site design is PMS, timely fulfillment of the KRA setting. Proper understanding of the what is KRA, proper understanding of the unit of measurement, proper understanding of the behavioral scale. All these things has to be done by the site HR. Until and unless the appraiser knows what exactly he has to do, there are many appraiser errors is going to happen. So it is the role of the site HR to make the appraiser understand the stereotype error, the central tendency error, the other kind of results similar to me error. So if there is a good site HR persons, he will make the appraisers understand the potential errors and how to avoid all these things. Then there is liasoning. Liasoning is a very big term, and nowadays there is a separate department who people who are involved in marketing and in administrative like tehsil office and other persons, they are being chosen for these jobs. But being a site HR, we have to be more vigilant and more prone in communication with the local authorities and administrative bodies, and liaising with client, also liaising with statutory bodies. All these things has to be done by the site HR. Then PR, whenever we are operating an unit in a rural area or in a urban area, we have to get our PR skills very transparent and very clear and lucid. Why? If you will go for advertisement, many people will come. Suppose we put an ad for an engineer, then many people will come, many prospective candidates will come. If we will put an ad for materials will come. But the area where we are operating, until unless we have a good rapport and good relation with the local people, we have good CSR activities, then it will be very difficult for operating that unit, and ultimately our entire productivity of the unit will get hampered. The thing that happened with Tata in Singur is a clear-cut example of this failure of PR skills and all those things. And another other things apart from this, the site HR person has to take care of is grievance handling. So in modern era, there are the policy implementation like POS and all those things, and this situation pandemic management. These are the buzzwords that is added to the responsibility of the site HR. So friends, I tried to summarize the importance of a site HR in a very short and period. Apart from this, the site HR is playing a very vital role in decision making, giving proper inputs, data and figures in front of the top management to take proper decisions. Even if for the policy implementation, whatever policies are prepared, that is ideal policies, but in every site there are some customization, taking and looking at the present scenarios and the people, the environment we are working with, that customization has to be done with the help of the site HRs. So really, I myself is working as a site HR, so I know the importance of a site HR, and I thank you all guys who are doing their responsibility and doing marvelous job as a site HR. Thank you. Let us expect some comments and from our seniors and our colleagues. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Namaste.